All right, here it is. We have another Apex sale. Take a look. Check this one out. This is the Halloween Super Sale. Actually, I didn't think that we'd ever get a better sale than what we've seen before with the 80% off and 50% recurring months. But take a look. It's 80% off the first month and then 60% off the recurring months. Yes, 60% off all recurring months for the lifetime of the account while you're in the evaluation. So I don't know what else they can do. It doesn't get much better than that. So take a look. Win80 is the code, just like all my other 80% off codes. Halloween Super Sale lasting until November 2nd. Take a look right here. Code WIN80. Snatch them up. Take advantage. Go to futuresniperbeast.com/Apex Trader Funding. You'll find that in the description in this video below. Make sure and like the video, subscribe, all that good stuff. Most importantly, grab some accounts while you can. Hope everybody has a great weekend, and I will see y'all on the live video. Take care.